Hi there. I am representing webtrackofficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. Today we're diving into a crucial issue that many of us face: important emails landing in the spam or junk folder. Whether it's a vital business communication, a long-awaited response, or a crucial update, having your emails end up in spam can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to help you fix that. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to improve your email deliverability. Also, we'll look at some common reasons why emails get flagged as spam. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. First, we'll analyze the content of your emails to avoid common spam triggers. Spam trigger words are keywords and phrases that alert email providers that a message could likely be spam. Emails containing these words would then be sorted into the dreaded email graveyard that is your inbox's spam folder. Unfortunately, simply avoiding a list of words won't keep you out of the spam folder. You can still take steps to protect your brand's reputation. Next, we'll ensure your email authentication is properly set up with SPF, DKIM, and MARC. SPF is an email authentication protocol designed to detect and prevent email spoofing by verifying the sender's IP address against a list of authorized sending hosts published in the domain's DNS records. MARC is an email authentication policy and reporting protocol that builds on SPF and DKIM to give email domain owners control over how unauthenticated messages are handled and to provide feedback on fraudulent email activity. And DKIM is an email security standard that uses cryptographic authentication to allow the receiver to check that an email claimed to have come from a specific domain was indeed authorized by the owner of the domain. This method will work 10,000%. Let me first send a test email. Here you can see, I received it in spam. Now simply we need to create a filter. You can either create it on your cPanel or within your webmail. Click Settings and click Filters. Here click Add New to get started. Now first add a name for your easy remembrance. Make sure it's enabled. Now select the dot from the drop-down, and right next to it, type x-spam. And make sure you enter it in the same way I'm entering. Contains. Type yes. This is perfect. Simply save. Now let me send the same test mail again. Here you can see, the email landed in inbox now. So that's how you can never miss your important emails. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.